Alright guys, 22nd of April, a lighter and these were $7. So I'm gonna show you the room, and I'm gonna show you the infinity pool. So first video of the vacation. We want to be down by the day before, but this, I'll tell you, this is a big room. You're gonna like it. So it's really kind of cool. Divi little bay overlooking the bay, as you can tell. It's across the street. There's Front Street over there. A little hard landing coming in. The plane was like homesick. It landed pretty hard, but the lady next to me was the Delta's. She was the Delta's wife, pilot's wife. So here we got the deck right here. Kind of nice. It's got 2 bathrooms. It's nice. I mean, it's bigger than the one we wanted next to the ocean, but. Hang out, we got some chips, but wanted to give the guy an extra $5 for brother bags, and he goes, he gave me enough, I want to be greedy, so it's amazing. So I'm like, no problem. So yeah, it's nice. We've been on this area before. We're on the first floor. You got a nice area if you have a big family in here. If you're going to cook a lot of stuff, refrigerator, white water, refrigerator. So here's the room. It's pretty big. Got a nice big TV. Things up here. I've got 2 bathrooms, so this is a nice, nice big shower. You shower in the shower, heck yeah. But nice big bathtub. It's nice. So. Big, I like it. Well, the other one we wanted was, couldn't get it because it's all usually. So this is the second bathroom. Yeah. So it's pretty big. It's nice. All right, so let's go out to the. Let's do it. Guys, this one goes out. He goes, no smoking cigars out here. He was smoking, so it's kind of a cool area out in here. We're building 11, first floor, room 706. These are grape. I love these cigars. They're easy to smoke, but you can kind of tell. It's a really cool pool when you get over here to the infinity pool. Really nice. Yeah, it's kind of windy. It's like 75 degrees. Beautiful day to walk around. They have cigars at the local store here in town. We stopped for some behaviors. Took kind of to get through. Cost not too bad. Last night staying over at Atlanta, she was pissed moving to get a king size. We got 2 queens. So listen, let's just take the 2 queens. Let's go to bed, okay? So here we are. Hi, ladies. So this is the infinity pool right here. Great pool of swimming. We're right next to it, so Obviously, I'll show you another video with the other stuff. Pool, it's a great pool. Very nice. Before you've seen critters down the last time I was down here walking around. Kind of a cool area. Small pool, but it's really relaxing. Swim in there and you overlook the ocean. I'll give another video later on, the bigger one that they rebuilt after the hurricane. So. Maybe we'll get a chance to walk down there. Right now, if we have time, and show the other pool. But yeah, it's a cool area to come down. She thought she misplaced her phone. It was in her bag, so she freaked out. So nice place, I love this place. If I could, I'd retire. I'd build my own bar and call it Cowboy Cafe Sports Bar. So we're gonna go down here. He's not afraid of anybody. He's like, he's gonna walk around. So I walk up here. We are gonna rent a four-wheeler. Drive around, so there'll be some good videos coming your way on the vacation. But we'll go over to the other pool. Show you that one. Downtown, the whole 9 yards. So pool is really cool. Gizmo restaurant. Hope the Gizmo's around. So. Always clean. Here's the other pool. This is where the hot tub. After the hurricane 2017, they got their ass whipped here. They've really kind of cleaned it up. Come up here and swim. Great family resort. They do have it's all inclusive if you want, but they don't have a lot of restaurants. It's a great place to just hang out. Well, as an athlete, you come here and just kind of hang out and relax, enjoy the evening. This is the Breeze pool. The restaurant's overnight. It's you got to get a reservation. So I've done this pool many a time before we've been here. Got the bar, whole 9 yards. We're going to cruise over. Next video, we'll go along the main street and I'll show you the pool. It's pretty cool at night too as well. So a pack of cigars is only $5 compared to the States, and they're different. They have different flavors. So. The pool is really nice. We like walking into town. Walk up the hill. You walk in. So, yeah, we're gonna rent something like that, but four-wheeler, but it's well kept. As you can see, there's no trash. This is the bay. Across over there, I showed you begin the video, is the bay. Theater there too as well. Those houses up there. Do not feed the iguanas. There are iguanas out here once in a while. You might get lucky and see one. You never know. But see the rock ledge? No. It's kind of cool. You can see how it goes. So anyways, there's no you know, like there's no AK-47s guarding you from something. So there's downtown. Ships come in over there. We're going on a cruise in January. We'll be here in January. But anyways, guys, first video, 2025, St. Maarten, Divi Bay.